Our topic is opportunity. Opportunity is a change to do something good, achieve success, or improve our lives. Opportunities comes in different form such as education, jobs, friendship, and personal growth. Sometimes opportunities appear unexpectedly, while at other times we must work hard to create them. Many successful people achieved their goals because they recognized and used the opportunities available to them. An opportunity may seem small at first, but it can lead to great achievements in the future. Therefore, it is important to stay alert and be ready to learn new things. Education provides many opportunities for students to develop their knowledge and skills. Learning English, for example, create opportunities for better communication, higher studies, and career growth. Every new skill we learn can open a new door in life. However, opportunities do not guarantee success. We must be willing to take action and make the best use of them. Hard work, dedication, and confidence help us turn opportunity into achievements. Fear of failure should not stop us from trying because every opportunity is a change to learn and growth. In conclusion, opportunity is one of the most valuable gift in life. It helps us discover our potential and move closer to our dreams. When an opportunity comes, we should welcome it as positive attitude, work hard and make the most of it. As the saying goes, opportunity knocks only once. So we should be prepared to seize it and create a better future for ourselves.